Hey, look, he got his clock fixed.
All right.
The tickle trunk.
I just asked the kid working at McDonald's if the Shamrock Shakes were made from fresh shamrocks. He went and asked the manager. This is today's world we're living in, folks. Thirup, you guys, for your pancakes, Thirup. Midnight on July the 11th, 2037, we will move to Tier 74, which you can no longer text people. You must communicate by Morse code only, and we strongly recommend holding your breath for as much as you can in the day as possible. We will beat this.
We will beat this. Yeah. Public service announcement.
I don't know if the people can read that, but yeah. What a happy bunch. Why did I? Whose idea was it for me to become premier? Who's... 70-year-old skeleton of a married couple. The wife is still arguing. Well, this certainly puts Mr. back in Mr. Potato Head. I think I'm losing my mind. That's because you've given me a piece of it every day since we got married. I think another... Museum removed wax statue of Trump because people kept punching it.
Oh, that's too funny.
Look at that. Ask my husband to put the pillowcases on the pillows. When I die, I'm going to leave everything to you. You already did, you lazy bastard. A Florida woman has been accused of driving a motorized shopping cart through a Target while drinking wine from a bottle, eating sushi, and cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon rolls.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Sliced bread was invented in 1928. People in 1927. And that pretty much. There you go, folks. There
if
is.
you don't get that one, that's too damn bad. That's a good one.
We saved that one for the end. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got for sale here. First up, I found this. A mask, a predator mask. Buy two, get one free. The new Crocs. The new Crocs are out there for sale at the gift shop at the Cecil Hotel. One more, a rotary phone.
Rotary
$30.
phone.
I'm not even in rotary. Why would I want one?
Weekly treats.
People are too casual about the fact that parrots can talk. You ever think about that? A freaking animal can talk. Who has a talking bird anymore? You have three what? I'm scared now.
He's got 3 birds.
You must be the life of the party. I was right. Hold on, now you got 2? You got 2? You got 2 cockatrices? No. He's got 3 birds and a cockatoo. Me ignoring the car next to me after almost crashing into it. You should be allowed to play defense at bowling.